Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be making some Texas-sized jalapeno poppers stuffed with pulled pork. Stay tuned. All right, so first I'm going to get started with the filling for these jalapeno poppers. I've got 2 packages of cream cheese. This is a super simple recipe, and this has been sitting on my counter for about an hour and a half, so it's kind of semi-soft, if you will. All right, next step, I got about a pound, maybe a pound and a half of some Texas-style pulled pork that I made. I'm going to dump the entire thing in there. Next, I'm going to add some Yardbird seasoning. This is from Plowboy's Barbecue. Check out the links below. And grab yourself a bottle of this. It's good on chicken, but excellent on pork as well. So just adding another good layer of flavor. Okay, about that much. And mix it up. Just like this, okay? Get it all incorporated. This pulled pork is going to shred even finer. All right, so this is the consistency that you want. Nice mixture right there. Next process is grab your jalapenos and wait till you see these suckers right here. These are Texas-sized jalapenos, okay? I mean, look at this. This sucker is humongous, okay? So I'm gonna show you my process on how I make these jalapeno poppers and how I cut them up, okay? So I like to take just a lid off the top, okay? Not quite in the middle. Just make it a convertible jalapeno. Just like that. All right, so this bad boy right here has a little bit of orange in there. Tells me this one's gonna be a little hot. Now, one thing about the jalapeno poppers, I like them kind of hot, so I will leave some of the veins in there, but I will remove all of the seeds, okay? So I just like to take a small spoon and get in there and stab this area. This is where the majority of your seeds are, right here towards the tail end of the jalapeno, okay? And take this piece out, just like that. And tap your jalapeno on your cutting board. Okay, just like that. You see these veins right here? I like to leave some of those on. I'm gonna take a couple of them out just to give me some more room to stuff this. Okay. You can see I'm gonna leave a good chunk in there. This is where the majority of your heat is right here, okay? So I'm gonna slice the rest of these up and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got all the jalapenos cleaned out, and this is what they look like right here. Got a nice cavity to fill it. Now you can use a spoon or a fork, but I just like to pick some of this filling up and stuff it in there with your hands, okay? It's okay to get dirty. And you wanna stuff it enough so you can put the lid on it, the lid of the jalapeno, or the top of it. Okay, just like that, okay? Don't overfill it. And then keep the lids of the jalapeno together again, and just like that. Okay, let me do one more for you guys. Gotta grab this big one right here. Look at that sucker. All right, grab some of your filling and stuff it in there. You really push down on it, okay? Need a bit more. Okay. Grab your lid, put it on there, set it aside. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these done, and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got all the jalapeno poppers stuffed. I'm gonna start with this one right here. Now, because these are really big jalapenos, I'm gonna start off the tip of this jalapeno, okay, somewhere around right here, and just wrap it really nice and tight. This bacon is breaking on me. That's okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, looks like we might have to use 2 slices of bacon because these suckers are huge. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab another slice. Okay, you wanna continue where the other one left off, just right there. So I do have some toothpicks right here, and I think I might put a couple of toothpicks on this one where the bacon right here overlaps. because as it cooks in my smoker, the bacon might open up, okay? And also right here. So just gonna grab a couple of toothpicks and put one right here, just so that this doesn't lift up in the smoker, okay? And also another toothpick right here where the bacon overlaps, because this will come off. Okay, just like that. Look at this bad boy right here. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these stuffed and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, I've got the jalapeno poppers all wrapped up in bacon. Now, some of these that were really big used 2 slices of bacon, and some of these smaller ones, believe it or not, only used 1 slice of bacon. And I did put toothpicks just to hold that bacon down so it doesn't unwrap when it's inside my smoker. So I've got my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker running at 375 degrees. Let's head outside. All right, so we're outside of my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker, and I am using B&B pellets, the championship blend. Now this pellet right here is really good. I highly recommend it. It's got pecan, cherry, and post oak in one bag, okay? Really good flavor of pellets. I'm gonna pop my lid open here and place the jalapeno poppers in there. Oh, these suckers are huge. Probably weighs about 5 pounds right here, okay? Just gonna place them on the top rack. So I'm gonna let these poppers smoke for about 30 minutes. At that point, we'll come back and flip that rack around. Stay tuned. All right, so the jalapeno poppers have been on for 30 minutes. Just gonna turn that rack around. Oh yeah. Just be really careful because we got bacon grease all over the place. Just lift it and turn it around. Got some of that cheese stuffing oozing out, as you can see. Just be really careful. All right, gonna let them roll for another 30 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, so the jalapeno poppers are ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 5 minutes, and this is what we got right here. Look at this. That cream cheese with the pulled pork started to ooze out, and that got nice and crispy as well. So that's gonna have some really good flavor. I'm just gonna move one aside and slice into this big dog right here. Got my Dell Strong knife, it's super sharp. Oh man. Look at that. How would you like to take a bite out of this? Let's give it a taste. All right, let's give these Texas-sized jalapeno poppers stuffed with cream cheese, pulled pork, and seasoned with some of this Yardbird rub. This is gonna be good. There we go. This is still pretty warm. I might even burn myself. So here we go. Holy smokes, this jalapeno popper is packed with so much flavor. You know, you got that crispy bacon on the outside, that creaminess of the cream cheese with the smoked pulled pork and some of that Yardbird seasoning. These are a must try. So if you guys are having a barbecue with your friends or maybe getting together for the Super Bowl, I highly recommend you guys give these a shot. Check out the links below for all the items that I used in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.